Magsalita ka nga rin po.
Yo. Yo, what's good? Okay. Wait, let me pick up this.
Bang bang! Oh! Okay. Parang same pa rin yung ano.
Oo. Yun nga lang sports drink na lang email. We no longer have... Hi. Hi, gang.
Is that all the loot we have?
May compass, may flare.
Bullet lang.
I don't want the compass.
Damn.
There's
May
a
bing
coconut
bong.
there. I can probably take the coconut. I'm gonna take the coconut.
Sure. We need it. We probably need it.
Grab this.
What grab?
Bakit kayo na puno may coconut?
Ito. Ay, ito. Okay, I grab it.
Hello?
Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Again.
Oh my god, I can't see the coconut.
What?
Let's go.
What? Wait.
Okay,
Wait.
I have a coconut. I have 2 coconuts.
You have the coconut?
Oh, there is a...
We need to like break it open though. We need to break it open.
Wait, how? How
We
do
have
it?
to, like, maybe we throw. We throw. Press Q. No,
Okay.
press Q.
Oh!
Yeah, nice.
Okay, this is smart.
Give me a moment, guys. Give
Uh-huh.
me a moment.
Okay.
Throw ba?
Throw. Press Q.
Okay, wait, sorry, it keeps
Sayang.
like keeping, like, my resolution keeps on getting higher, and the game changes it, so I have to manually.
Yung headless kayo minsan nawawala.
Wait, how do I store stuff? Sa back?
Kaya nga eh.
How do I do it? I need something to store this. Wait
I
lang
can
ha?
store shit din.
Damn, how?
Wear them.
Wait. MJ, may storage ka pa
What?
dyan?
I have one.
You have one? I think you can
Try
take...
it.
I can put my stuff on you.
Yung what?
I put my trumpet on you. Turn around.
Ow! Wait, should we turn around? Okay, hold on. Wait. Hold on. I'm gonna
Sino mo
put...
inagay lahat sa akin?
Okay.
Bro, have a curse berry, bro.
Ha? Drop it.
Turn around.
Oh, okay, my bad. Here. Damn, bro. It's gonna be heavy. It's gonna be heavy, bro.
No, it's fine.
Ito si Ashi.
Nauna na si Ashi. Ashi went
Actually, down
ahead.
here.
Ashi, where the hell are you?
Here, kind of.
Oh, nandyan siya. Here. She's here, bro.
Here?
Ay,
Oh,
to!
okay.
Wait.
Gonna throw it.
I'm gonna throw it over there.
Okay. Ooh.
I threw it.
What are you throwing?
I think it's a rope. Where the fuck is it? Hold on. I can't find it. Bro, I think you throw too far. Wait, guys, I think si Casey na yun.
Where is she?
You know, she's far behind.
Ang dami kong dala.
Gagi, yan ang dalang boy. Gang.
Oh my god, my lag is so crazy, bro.
Damn, bro got the whole coconut.
For real, bro.
I really like the ambient music, like mosquitoes and shit.
Someone grab this.
What is it? What's that?
No.
Piton!
Piton.
What's that?
Oh, maybe for the rope. I think this is for the rope. Wait, we need the rope, yun lang. Oh wait, Casey. Hey Casey, let me put it in your bag first.
Hell no!
I don't have the compass.
I have the compass, bro.
Basta sa north. We need to go north.
This is north. Yeah,
Oh,
this
sorry,
is
I fed you.
this is the north.
I have a medkit by the way.
Oh, nice.
So if someone dies,
Nakakain na kayo, guys?
Yeah, I've eaten.
I'll take one.
Okay. Just We should be full right now. I think.
Maybe we jump here.
Uh-huh.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh, no.
Damn.
Okay, we're fine.
Ano ba? Dyan ba? We're going there.
Maybe.
Oops.
Gago, this makes me miss Everest.
Balikan ulit, bro. Oops.
Oh, ang daming luggage dito.
Anyway.
Oh, may medicinal carrot doon.
Damn, that's a lot.
There's a medicinal carrot over there, but it's kind of far. Wait, is it far?
Yeah.
I'll drop the compass.
I have 2 ropes for some reason.
Yeah, that's mine. This is my backpack.
What?
Bakit? Ikaw rin? Oh my god. What the fuck?
Oh,
Same
what
lang yung
the
setup
hell?
tayo? Wait, same lang tayong setup? Wait, okay, so...
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll drop one, and then...
Yeah. Oh my god.
Okay, maybe, I think, maybe we don't need that much rope. Let's try. Baka di naman pala kailangan.
I thought I threw away the buckle.
Maybe di natin kailangan ng rope that much.
Can we like, from the coconut tree, can we like jump?
I'm not sure. I mean, can we try it?
There's a poison though, like the plant.
Nope.
Wait,
I think... Nope, bro. No, bro.
where do we go?
Guess not here.
Yeah, maybe not here, bro. Oh wait, this is the same thing.
Where are you guys?
Oh wait, this is the same bridge, kanina.
Okay.
Oh, this is the same thing. Methinks.
Maybe it's just similar.
Similar.
No.
Bro.
Wait lang ah. Wait lang.
Bro, don't go.
Oh, I'm already here.
I'm dying, bro.
I think we have been here. Yep, I think this is it. Ito yung the bridge that leads to nowhere.
Really?
Yeah. This is the same place we have been. Oh, yeah. So maybe we should go that way.
Oh no, what the fuck? You're right.
Wait, saan sila? We're
Don't
there.
touch that.
This
Don't
one?
touch that, it's gonna damage you. It's
Okay.
gonna damage you.
Okay. Saan sila? What the fuck? Chad, where are you? May way naman dyan. Is there a way there?
There's a way, but it's kind of hard.
Right. Wait lang. Balikan ko lang sila.
Sit. Fuck, I'm sliding.
Bro, where are you? You fine? Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, gang.
Hi, gang.
Ano kaya? Kaya ba?
What happened, gang?
I'm too heavy.
Gang. Don't go there, bro. Don't go there.
Oh, there's
hi.
a TV here.
Nah, bro. Don't open it. Don't open it.
It's a luggage. Oh, okay.
Yeah, don't open that. That'll hurt you, bro.
Oh, okay.
Ashley went that way.
She okay?
Yeah, she's good. Yung nga lang, hindi ko alam how far she is. I think she went that far. Yeah, you have to go around that one.
This is difficult, bro.
Wait lang. Ooh, okay. Okay, got it. Just you can drop sa sa yellow, sa white. Sa white pala, I mean.
Yeah.
Ito na yung I think this is another difficult area.
Oh.
Gang, where Ashley, bro? She went far.
Where is she?
I swear, nauna siya.
Ooh.
Nauna na siya eh. I don't know how far. Where the fuck are they?
Oh, there's a bridge there.
Wait, where? Oh, okay, I see you. Oh god, you're that far.
Shit!
But I don't know how to cross here. 'Cause
Jesus, you're that far. Okay, nandun sila sa taas.
Oh, I hear Ashley.
Where?
Jan, I think. Careful na lang.
I think I can do this.
Where are you, Ashley?
Yeah, you can. You can do this.
Where is she?
Oh god, where are you, gang?
Where's Ashley, bro?
I hear her,
Oh,
but
shit.
I can't see her.
I think she fell above. I think she's above.
sliding daw eh.
She's sliding. Oh, damn.
Ay, dito siya.
Okay, okay. Oh!
Oh,
Oh,
shit.
AJ.
Yeah, I'm good.
You good? I think you're not
No.
good.
I'm not good.
Chad, I think you're not good, bro.
Yeah, bro, I'm not good.
Gang!
Then guys, goodbye.
Gang, no, don't die, bro. Don't die, bro.
No, that was actually really low.
Oh
That
shit!
was a really low
What
damage.
the fuck? Oops.
Okay, how do I go back up?
I don't know, bro. You're that far.
No cap.
Loki, you're that far.
Dude. Alright, see you
Gang,
then.
I can't even see you, bro. Jesus, what the fuck is this? Wait lang.
No, I can do it.
Huh?
I actually can do it.
Well, I'm seeing souls.
This is
What?
me.
What the fuck? What the hell did you do?
I fell while
Yeah.
trying to reach Ashley.
Gang! Wait, saan si Ashley though? You just saw her? Okay, same direction. Hold on.
I think you're going the opposite of her though.
Oh wait. Am I?
Yeah, I think... Oh, dyan banda ako yata dumaan eh.
Okay. Damn. Kamusta si MJ dun sa baba? Oh fuck.
I'm alive.
You're alive?
She's
Damn.
okay.
Okay. But how far? How far is she?
I think very far
You
down.
don't know how to get back up.
Yeah. She will. Now this is tricky.
She's quite far down.
Damn, bro. Oh my god, I thought there's another soul coming. Wait.
No, there's still
Ashley, I
one.
can see her.
Ashley is very up above.
Very up? Oh god. She's that far. What? What the hell? Damn, bro. This is tricky as hell.
You're kind of right behind her.
Ooh. Okay, I almost fell. Okay, I saw her.
Oh!
Gang, I saw her. Hi, gang.
Oh my god, food.
Sayang, ang dami ko pa naman pagkain.
Damn, it brought it with you. Oy, nandun din yung
Yeah.
ano. Nandun din yung rope. Gang. The rope
You
broke.
what?
Naka-KC yung ano, yung rope. She brought it down with her.
Oh no.
Nah, bro, we're cooked.
Di ba meron ka rin sa backpack?
No, I gave it all to you.
Oh my god!
Because I thought you're the one who would last long, bro.
Naging.
Gang. I thought you'll be the last one survivor in this world, bro. You were supposed to be the
Nah.
medic.
Your hypothesis is wrong, bro.
Nah, bro, we're low-key cooked, bro.
Stamina.
Yeah. Oh, you almost
Oh my
fell.
god, did you die?
Yeah, I died, gang.
Gang.
That's why you were so loud. Yeah, okay. You're calling me.
Oh, I saw you, bro.
No, I think
Wait lang. Saan taas ka? Wait. I can't see you. Oh, okay, I found you.
There's a rope cannon behind me.
Okay, got it. No. Ah, kaya pala. I got it. Kaya pala. Yung the one I hold ng last game, that was anti-rope cannon.
Oh.
It's supposed to go up.
Akala ko taas.
I didn't know that was the thing.
I didn't know din.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Wait, I see the campfire. I see the campfire.
you see the campfire? Shit. Wait lang. Hold on. I'm holding a thing.
It's kind of fun, but
How are you guys?
I think we reached the top. Low key, low key.
Oh damn. Heal me. Reach the statue.
Whoa. Okay. Ooh, that was close. Forgot. Wait, saan yung... Oh. Where's the campfire?
Doon, di ba pa?
May bridge dun, no?
Hi, gang.
You have to cross this bridge one by one.
Ang ganda rin ng stamina mo. Wala ka kasi bilit. Halos wala kang bit-bit eh.
Sino?
Si Ashi.
Oh, ano?
I've
Bro, get the stamina. Let me... Fuck it, we both. Oh, damn!
No,
was
don't
that,
do
bro?
it!
I did it. I've done it.
We're so close, bro.
Chat, are we winning?
Si MJ babuhay pa?
Buhay pa yun! Wala pang ang soul eh.
So we shouldn't revive Casey yet until ano, just in case mamatay si MJ.
Aha. Di ko alam kung saan ko ilalagay
What?
bro.
Yes! 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 Oh my god, yes!
Oh my
Finally.
gosh.
Wow! We're so golden.
Oh my god.
Are we golden?
Oh,
Ayan, there's a statue, I think.
Uy, may isa pang backpack oh. There's another.
Ay,
I
backpack
can take
pala
it.
yun. Oh, there's a statue.
Okay, how do I drop this?
how do I wear this?
Sa baba si MJ, bro.
Yun nga eh. I'ma drop here.
Ano, letter E.
I got it.
Nice
Si
one.
MJ nasa pinakamababa.
Should
Damn,
she
MJ.
kill herself? She can kill herself if she wants, then we can just revive.
This is too easy. Basic pala to.
Hello? MJ? I can hear her.
Wait. Is she there? Oh wait, nakarating na ba siya ng itong kalayo? What?
I can hear her. MJ?
If you can hear us. Okay, wait, let me
Mag-trumpet ka nga, Rifu. Trumpet ka.
Ha?
Mag-trumpet ka nga.
Sige nga. Ang pangit pa ng tunog eh. Wait lang, let me try the rope cannon. Let me see how it works. What? Hold on. Drop or... Oh! Kailangan malapit lang ito.
It's not yet done, by the way. We're gonna climb an even harder mountain.
Ano?
We're gonna climb an even harder mountain once all four of us are here.
Ah, we? Oh damn, I shouldn't use that thing. Oh my god. Already used it.
230 meters pa si MJ.
How many meters siya?
230 meters.
Parang mo siya nakikita. Oh, okay. Okay, can I use my...
Ikaw talaga yung maingay.
Ha?
Nung lumayo ka biglang tumahimik.
Bro, wala pa akong electric fan yan, by the way. I don't have the electric fan, by the way. And nainitan na ako, I swear to God, bro. Nainitan na ako. I need it bad. Please, let me have the electric fan, bro. It's that hot.
Sino kayo tanungin mo?
Nah, bro. I just need it. It's so freaking hot, brother. Oh, nandiyan na, oh. Hi again. I saw her.
MJ!
Hi, MJ.
Hi! You did
Ito, oh.
it!
Ito, motivational, oh.
Thank
Ikaw,
you,
hindi.
bro. God, dude. Oh shit. I'm gonna fall.
No, 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 no.
Hindi. Light lang naman.
Go around here, dito. Dito
Tulungan
ka.
mo, Raybo. Ano ba yan?
Sorry naman. Dito ka. Climb here. Climb here, bro. Oh.
Teacher, airport food gang.
I got no more food. Sort of.
Hindi ba may airport food ka?
Yeah, I can eat it, but I don't know how much it takes.
Okay.
How about try it?
Do you want me to eat it?
Eat it.
You're very hungry right now, so...
Wait, no, don't eat it. Don't. May marshmallow dito. Take one. Let's revive Casey!
Wow. For once we're
Ano
golden.
na revive? I don't know.
Saan ba?
Oh, you guys waited for me.
Oh
to
my
revive
God!
PC.
Hi. Welcome back, gang.
Oh my gosh, gang.
Yeah,
What
welcome
happened?
back.
Wow, bro.
You
You
guys
climbed
took
up that
so
far.
long, gang?
Wow, you climbed up that far.
Marshmallow gang.
Whose backpack is this?
Ay, kay Ray po yan.
It's probably mine.
Should I eat it na?
Kay Casey siguro.
Ano ba? Should I
If
eat
y'all
it?
are
I ate
ready,
mine.
we can eat it na.
I mean, I'm kinda hungry.
I think the campfire.
What happens now?
There, the next mountain.
Oh hell no, why is it black?
There's another mountain? Oh.
Wow, this is really lagging me out.
Oh my
I
gosh,
didn't-
it's
This is much
very
harder,
epic.
by the way.
I didn't
There's
know
a
there
lot
was.
of...
I didn't know there was another
there's a
mountain,
lot of
bro.
lights.
It's much harder, by the way.
Holy moly,
What the
brother.
hell is the goal here?
Oh, luggage down there.
There's a luggage down there. There's another down there.
Oh
Ooh.
god,
Another
it's
up there,
raining.
too.
Okay, it's hard to see now.
Oh shit, the rain is gonna make it slippery.
Nah. Cool.
Oh, there's a coconut up there.
What?
Hindi ko nang mahulog.
Is this good?
Okay, let me eat this first. I'm hungry as hell.
I'm gonna try to eat it. Oh no, it's poison.
Where?
Oh no.
Oh, it's poisonous?
Yeah.
Nah.
Help me.
Here, bro.
Help me.
Got you, bro.
It looked like legit fruit, gang.
Wait, we're going down there? Bro, I think that's not safe,
Huh?
bro.
Oh, yeah.
I think this is not safe. Go back, bro. Go back.
Buti na lang may medkit ka.
Okay, which one is better? Okay, dito. I think this is...
Oh, the bananas are good.
Damn, bro.
The bananas?
Oh my god. Not the rain, bro. Not the rain.
I can grab
How should we
the
go down?
Oh my god!
Gang, you scared me, bro.
It takes up
Hey,
stamina
what the
though.
hell?
Damn. May luggage pa naman.
Saan?
Doon.
Oh,
I mean,
really?
Should I try?
let's
Ayaw
try.
ano.
I mean, let's try.
Sure.
I don't know if I'm gonna be cooked, bro.
Ha?
No, I'm living. I'm winning.
Nah.
I'm winning, bro. Yun, I won, bro.
Sa taas kami.
I got the luggage. Good lord. There's a trail mix, yun lang. And there's a sports drink. There's a sports drink.
Okay.
May rope cannon. There's a rope cannon. Okay. May rope cannon and there's a portable stove.
Oh, nice.
Yun nga lang, I don't have
Yeah, I
any
think that's
backpack,
the way
bro.
down, isn't it? That's the way down.
Oh wait, I have an
Cross
idea.
rifle?
Yeah. You have to cross, bro. Can you grab it? Wala nang storage eh. And I think we can use this to go down yung rope cannon. I think this is possible. We just need to find a better... Oh wait, maybe I think we don't need to. Pero not that. Dito. Pero dito.
Portable stove. You can cook.
Yeah, we can do, bro. Wait
Si
lang.
Ashley sa baba pa rin.
Wait lang ah. Let me... Okay.
Go this, bro.
I'll put
Just
something
jump.
in your bag, bro. I think dito yung may vine dito pababa. Yun nga lang, I don't know where we go down.
Ito,
Okay, should we risk it? Nah, fuck
I
it.
don't know.
Ha!
Nice!
Oh god, I'm goated. I can go down. Like, I'm gonna try to go down, bro.
Gang.
Oh!
Gang. With my lag,
I think you're cooked if you're lagging.
I
Why
am
is she my...
Oh shit, man. Oh shit!
You're...
Never mind, gang.
Gang. Do we have bandages? Chat, do we
I
have
don't.
bandages? Bro, we're so cooked. Where's Ashley?
Wait, there's a luggage here.
I think
Pero
Ashley
open
opened
na
it.
siya.
Ano yan?
Short string.
Ano,
Wait, there's a
spiral...
coconut up here, Rifo.
Oh wait, where? Oh, this one.
But
do we-
I need a med kit.
Gang, I think I cannot reach it. Because how bad my stamina is. Oh wait, never mind, I can. So,
Wait.
throw this.
Okay, the one.
Throw this and throw that.
whoa,
Okay.
whoa.
What?
I nearly fell, sorry. I'm fine. Guys, I'm stuck.
You're stuck?
Yes, and I'm nearly dead.
Where the hell are you, bro? Oh wait, nandyan ka pala.
What's this? Why are
Gang,
there
behind
red
you, bro.
bananas?
Behind you, bro.
I've got no other food, but like this airport food.
I don't know if this is safe or not, bro.
I think the red ones are safe.
Uh-huh. Okay, let me try it first. Oh,
The
okay.
greens
I'm
are...
gonna eat the
Oh, I think
red
it's good.
raspberry, guys.
It's good, it's good.
Okay. I think the red ones are good.
Uh-huh.
Just not the green ones.
There's another luggage in here.
Let's hope na may bandage siya. Oh,
There's a
the
rope. Damn, bro, where's Ashy?
Don't know.
She's probably gone ahead.
Gang.
Do you have the compass?
No? Oh, wait, I have one. Yun nga lang.
Let's head
I-
north.
Okay, head north. I mean, this is the north. Jesus.
Do I heal over time or do I just have to cope?
I think you have to go.
Fuck.
Me too, gang.
Nah, bro, we're so cooked.
What are these? I think they're poisonous.
Nah, it looks poisonous, bro.
Yeah, those look poisonous, not gonna lie.
Damn, bro, I need that med pack.
Kaya nga eh. Ayun si Ashi!
Where is she?
You know?
Bro! How you that far? Ay, Shiba. Gang, you should have waited for us.
Wow.
Damn, bro, you should have waited for us.
Gang, how are you? Oh god. I'm very lost. Oh, okay, that's poison.
Yung ano?
Yung thorns. Don't go there! Oh god.
I jump it. Don't worry. I jump over it.
Okay.
Damn, I need that med pack so bad.
Ow, we got poison.
Holy
Do
shit.
you jump over the thorns?
Yeah, jump over it. Jump over it. You have to make through the branches. I mean yung yung three. Yung tree. Go over it. Jump and then sprint. That's not
Oh, I still got it. Fuck me.
Oh.
again. Gang, that's not.
Dang, what the hell?
That is not.
Oh, shit.
You good? You good there?
No, I'm not.
I can't see you, bro. You're like real down. Ha?
May lantern dito.
Ay, may lantern, okay. I think we can use
But
it.
I can't grab it though.
Bakit?
Because I'm
Puno ka na? Oh,
Yeah.
damn. I think we should use yung rope right now. Para maabot si ano, si...
How do we use it?
That's the thing, I don't know.
Ikaw na, ano?
Wait, where is it? Oh! Ano yun?
Ow!
What is that?
What the hell?
What the fuck is that?
Oh god, we should get out of here.
I can't see it, bro. Bro, I'm
It's
dying.
behind the luggage and I'm about to die, bro.
Bro, I have one
I don't
health.
think I can climb any further.
Nah, same, bro. Bro, I'm dead?
What the fuck was that?
Gang. Help. I don't know what it is.
Bruh. I
Bro.
can't climb any longer.
Bro, I cannot climb either. Oh god, yung item
MJ died!
Boy!
Ow!
No!
No!
No! No! No!
Oh my god, Ashi. Oh my god. Everyone's dead.
Good lord!
Oh my god.
Good.
Oh my god.
Holy fumble!
Oh my god.
Holy fumble, brother!
She just died.
Ashi, just let it
Ashi,
go.
give up. It's fine.
Let it go, bro. Let it go. Oh, nice.